In this video, I'll detail how to turn on tap to talk on Apple Watch. If you use your Apple Watch with walkie-talkie, then you may want to tap to talk on the Apple Watch so that when you tap it once, it's going to start talking on the walkie-talkie, and if you tap it again, it's going to stop the function. So basically here, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable tap to talk on Apple Watch to control the walkie-talkie device you connected to your Apple Watch. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do is click on the digital crown to exit the clock face and go to the app menu or app library. Then locate and click on settings. Then on the settings page, you want to scroll down. Just scroll down until you get to accessibility. Now under accessibility, scroll down. So just keep scrolling until you get to which your activities. Then under which activities you see walkie-talkie. Then turn this on. Then you should see when this is turned on, tap once to start talking and tap again to stop talking. So that's how you can easily enable or turn on tap to talk on Apple Watch to control walkie-talkie from your device. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.